Hello and welcome to another wilderness tamed gardening video. It's just a short one. It's a quick first stage look at development of a wildlife garden. We're mainly going to concentrate on the pond in this one, but it's just to show you the size of the garden. It was loosely raked and wildflower seed mix was put in there. I've also planted some native hedging along two sides of the fence, which I don't have photographs of at the minute. But they got a builder in with a JCB to create the wildlife pond. Now, it wasn't exactly perfect, so I came along and hired a mini digger, as you see here, and reprofiled the pond to give it a little bit more of a natural edge, because essentially it looked like a walk. Put in underlay, butyl liner, an overlay on top of that, and then started to cover it with some of the soil that was excavated from the site, and allow it just to fill naturally with rainwater. By December, it had got a few feet of water in it, so I took this rather poor video of me putting in some native water lily rootstocks into it, just around the edge. You can see actually there's already a lot of growth from some of the wildflowers and some of the seed that would have been in the soil that was excavated from the site. But it greened up pretty quickly. There it is with a bit more water in it. It's a nice natural edge starting to develop. They get a lot of goldfinches at this pond and occasionally a visit from flamingos. That could be a lie. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and you'll be able to catch up with further developments of this garden. Happy gardening!